ever feel like you need something exciting going on in your life? Well, today, me and my family are having a competition. It's gonna be great, it's gonna be exciting, it's gonna be competitive, it's gonna be awesome, it's gonna be awesome, it's gonna be awesome. So first off, we're gonna start with an average of 5 for everybody. And so that way we can know who's gonna go up against who. It's gonna be a best of 5 format. I think I should start off the average of 5. I choose this equipment. First solve was my average 21. Another 21. That was a 22. 20. 19. I keep getting 55. Hello, it's me, and we're gonna kill. Bruh. Inspection. 3, 2, 1, go. $43. 50. 3, 2, 1, go. 51. 36. 42. 45. 48. 3, 2, 1, go.
No.
45.
48.
So it's 1 point for me.
No.
44.
No. 47. I have to win 3 in a row.
Or I could win all 3 of them.
Oh.
53.
I messed up. 1, 2. I have to win at least 1.
Literally half of the white cross is already done.
Yes. Yes.
So I'm gonna be solving 2 3x3s. That way it's a little bit more fair. I have popped into existence. Okay, you may begin when you're ready. 3, 2, 1, go. No! You get second place though. I hope you enjoyed. enjoyed. Okay, bye.
Bye,
Bye.
folks.